Okay, hey guys, it's me again, Iya, and right now we're here at the ballistic range here in Davao City, and it's the first day of the third battle camp, and today is the schedule of our equipment check. So, I'll be back later pagka nasa loob na tayo ng range. So, ayan guys, belt na tayo. And I'm with Gia Marie. Hindi siya shooter ngayon, siya ay isang caddy. Take picture at take abot ng towel ko. Charot lang. Papasok na tayo ng range. And actually, nag-start na yung first day of shoot today. So, yung set A is pumuputok na sila today. And tomorrow will be our first day. Yeah. Instruction to si Julia. Hear that. We are now entering the ballistic firing range for the scheduled equipment check ng mga set B shooters. So see you later guys. Bye!
Ay, sige.
Bye bye. Take picture.
Yes. Siya.
So we are now sending our handgun or equipment check before tayo pag-proceed tomorrow sa ating first day of shoot. So wait lang kayo.
Tarik na siya. Nag-arasuring lang.
Taga pa rin. Guys, we're just waiting for our first stage to open para makapag-briefing and makastart ng shooting. It's already 12:43 and in a while daw mag-start na. Ay, na-start na. Nagpo-roll.
Unang tawag.
Buisit, malamang ikaw una. Oh my gosh.
Something in those trees.
Apparently, si Kuya Prongs ang first shooter namin. So, good luck to us guys. Tabi-tabi.
Ayun si Predator.
So, this is our first stage. So, good luck to us guys.
Welcome to stage 3. This is a medium force with 20 rounds consisting of 8 IPSC target, 2 IPSC poppers, 2 IPSC metal plate, and 1 nozzle. Condition loaded. Inserted magazine chamber loaded. A start position, shooter standing relaxed, heel touching, marker as demonstrated. Upon signal, engage all target from within well-demarcated area. We will begin scoring while the competitor is completing the course of fire. Please assign a delegate to verify the scoring process for you. Please take note of Rule 963. Be reminded to take a photo of your stage summary from the tablet. Any question?
Meron ako.
Non-review, 3 minutes.
Hindi ko napakilala.
Sige. Ang right na yung move.
Ching.
Sagad. Sagad kaliwa. Dati.
Bakal.
Sagad.
Hindi ka na bumalik doon. Malaki bumalik. Plate board.
Two, one. Time is up. Clear the range.
Manawalis.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Habay.
Oops. Oh fuck.
Extra finish, unload. Go clear, hammer down. Holster. Range is clear. 2188 long.
This is a medium force with 22 rounds consisting of 9 IPS targets, 4 metal plate and 2 lower plate. Position, standing rack, anywhere inside the located area. Procedure, upon signal, engage all target from within the well-demarcated area. We will begin scoring while the competitor is completing the course of fire. Please assign a delegate to verify the scoring process for you. Please take note, Rule 9.6.3 will apply. Please be reminded to take a photo of your stage summary from the tablet. Are there any questions? If there is none, you have 3 minutes for your walkthrough. Good luck.
Sir, shooting order based. Are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
Oh fuck.
Unload and shoot there. Hammer down. Sir.
Alpha. 2 alpha.
All alpha.
Alpha target.
Down. Are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
Oh shit. Fuck. Fuck. Fuckers.
Finish unload and shoot clear. If clear, hammer down, holster. Range is clear time. 3, 4, 4, 4.
Yes, sir.
17 Alpha, 12 Charlie 1 Delta in 3444. So drop ma'am.
Ah,
Thank you, Kot.
salamat, sir. Ha.
Okay, load and make ready.
Ha.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
Fuck.
Clear, finish, unload. Load and shoot clear, clear, hammer down, holster. Range clear. Holster.
Okay, good afternoon, shooters. Dear fellow shooters, mom and sirs, welcome to stage 7. This is a medium course with 18 rounds consisting of 8 IPSC targets, 1 IPSC popper, 1 IPSC metal plate, and 2 no-shoots. Start position. Shooter standing relaxed, feet touching the marker as demonstrated.
Okay.
Magazine inserted. No chamber load.
Okay.
Procedure, upon signal, engage all targets from within the well-demarcated area only. Note, popper will activate a moving target which will remain visible at rest. We will begin scoring while the competitor is completing the course of fire. Please assign a delegate to verify the scoring process for you. Please take note of Rule 9.6.3. Please be reminded to take a photo of your stage summary from the tablet. Are there any questions?
Wala, sir.
If none, you have 3 minutes walkthrough and we will activate the target, the moving target for your reference.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
Oops. Puto. Uy, ba't tayo bumagsak? Fuckers.
If you have finished, unload. Show clear. If clear, hammer down. Holster. Which is clear. Time. 2, 3, 3, 1.
First welcome to stage 8. This is a long course with 32 rounds. Consisting of 12 IPSC targets, 5 IPSC poppers, 6 control plates, and 2 no shoot. Start position, should is time to relax. Nose touching the marker as demonstrated by our range officer. For the procedure, upon signal, engage all targets from well within the demarcated area only. We will begin scoring while the competitor is completing the course of fire. Please assign a delegate to verify the scoring process for you. Please take note of Rule 963. Be reminded to take a photo of your stage summary from the tablet. Any questions po?
Wala, sir. Ako una.
For shooter.
Ako.
Ladies first.
Sige. Takbo. Diretso. Pakpak.
Pang.
Side step.
Pak. Ping.
Down talaga. Tak.
Ping.
Bika talaga. Tak.
Change back.
Change back. Yun na. Yun na. Kingin mo yung paper. Board mo na kainin mo. Ping pa. Ingat ka sa paper para di ka makakalat. Okay, go.
Papak.
Taklap. Okay ha, tapos na yun. Oh.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
Puti.
If you're finished, unload, unshoot clear. If clear, hammer down, holster. Range is clear. Time 3107. 3107.
Thank you, sir.
07. 3107.
Oh!
Oh, miss. Oh, Mike.